I'm going to show you exactly how I closed a $100,000 search fee for a CTO, a confidential CTO. Bear with me. This is not scripted. It's important I show you the steps in the beginning, through the middle of the sales process, and when the contract was closed. I'm going to show you everything. But again, let me just kind of take my time with this and show you the steps. It's important. So let me go ahead and minimize me. Perfecto. Okay. So here's my LinkedIn page. With Recruitemy, our sales system is truly a multi-channel lead generation process that helps you build, grow, and scale your recruiting business. Doesn't matter what niche you're in. This works for any niche. Now, we do use LinkedIn. I'm a big believer in this B2B platform. I don't know anything else that compares to it when it comes to finding your decision makers, your hiring managers to get new recs. 800 million users in over 200 countries. This is where it's at. Sales Navigator specifically. So this particular deal that came in, I have a team of VAs, like two of them, not expensive at all. So once I set up my lead generation system and nurturing campaign, I hired a VA, which you can do as well for like $5 an hour, and plug them into the system that I'll give to you. And then when I do that, I start getting emails just like this. So when I'm out golfing or fishing or doing whatever the heck I want to do in life, I get these leads. So this was from Sabrina. Hey Russ, see book call details below. I think we got a few good ones here, but I want your feedback on the list prospect. She wasn't quite sure if they want to retain search or not. So I'm really focusing on doing retain search. I want to collect payment up front before I do any work for a client. I'm at a stage in my life right now where I'm not working for free. I used to do that. I used to be a contingency recruiter, not anymore. But I can teach you retain search. Once you make that transition, you don't know why you ever worked for free in your past life. I can tell you that right now. Anyways, here was the lead. It came in August 9th last year, and I get their LinkedIn link here, their title, and this was came to me through a warm email that my VA sent out on my behalf that I structured for her. And again, we structured for you. Our system's a three-step process. It's very simple. It's a plug and play. Once you understand the system and you learn it, you hand it off to a VA to run with it and be the engine so you can do other things and be on top of your business, not in your business. But here was a brief overview of what the prospect wrote back. We're actually confidentially looking for a CTO, not posted. Is this something you could help with? Question mark. Awesome, yeah. And then there's more leads that can't come in here. People just looking to hire people from me. So that's how that happened. And then I take it a step further. Let me minimize this again, guys. Bear with me. I'm just kind of going on the fly here. I also provide some qualifying questions before I get on the phone call or discovery call on a Zoom with them because I don't want to waste my time. In the past, I would do Zoom calls with people to find out they had no money to invest or they really weren't at a stage to hire somebody. They needed a few more months, and I just didn't want to waste my time. So, are you currently in the market to add resources to your team? Yes. That's all I need to hear right now. If they said no, NA, I'm not going to waste my time. So that's how we do that. All right, back to it. My LinkedIn is here. The way I got this lead was through this advanced Boolean search through, let me go ahead and make this larger, through Sales Navigator. And this is what we do for you. So my team works with you very closely in the beginning with onboarding to come up with a very sophisticated niche targeted search of hot leads that we build for you. And as you can see on the left-hand side here, we don't mess around. Like we take our time. We exclude a lot of keywords, which is very critical, so you're not getting garbage leads. But my lead that I just showed you came in through this search that I produced. And that's how I got that. Sorry for that noise. And then from there, we booked the discovery call. Well, let me show you this first. So I did an outreach through video, which I love. Huge fan of one-on-one video personalization. This went to Jennifer. She thought it was very impressive. A little dark here. I usually provide light, but this was nighttime. But I wanted to let her know that I was looking forward to our discovery call tomorrow at 10 a.m. Here is an example of a shortlist URL that we send out to our customers. This is very sophisticated, unique. We don't just sling resumes over. So we put, our client's logo up here, the candidates, we score them, and they can click on view full profile and get a really good look at their executive summary, their picture. We do a video interview right here. All the documentations are attached here, their picture, etc. And we can provide this for you as well as a template. So once you become a Recruitemy member, you'll have access to this. This is the Zoom discovery call that I did with the CEO of the company. So Jennifer set it up. Move my face over here. You guys probably can't hear that because I'm on my Bluetooth. But anyways, did a 1-hour discovery call with the CEO right here. He's in Maryland at his cabin home. And it was a phenomenal call. I record my discovery call so I can go back and create a custom proposal for them. But once I get a prospect to discovery call, I have a 90% chance of closing that deal. That's how high my closure rates are. Get them to the discovery call. But how do you get these leads? Just what I showed you. Multi-channel marketing. Use LinkedIn, use email, use video personalization, use text. We do all that for you. We get your system set up and show you how to do that. What else can I show you here? Okay, yeah, here's the contract. So we also provide contracts for you. You can just copy this as a template and plug in your details. This is a very comprehensive proposal or contract. It's really detailed. It's just very professional looking. We give my prospect all the steps that we do in the search process. Again, guys, you can use this as a template. Just plug in your own customer name, all that kind of good stuff. But let me show you where the 100,000 fee is. I believe it's on page 4. Give me 1 second here. Yeah. So here it is. CTO role 100,000 right here for a candidate provided by my company. 70,000 if the candidate is provided by my client. That was a deal that I worked out for them. I closed this deal between the intro call to discovery call. It was less than a week that I closed this $100,000 search fee. Pretty cool. And there is their signature right here. Boom, deal is done in the books. And we got a check for 33,000, like pretty much we do net 10 payment terms, got the check for 33K that, put the anchor in for the search. We started investing money in recruiting and went from there. So guys, that is just that simple. You can do it as well. And I hope that helps. If you want more information on Recruitemy, you can email me back. You can go to our website, recruitemy.com, and I would love to do a discovery call with you as well and get you started so you can start earning 100,000 fees just like I do. Let's do it, guys.